Hi guys, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a super easy painting. I'm just going to be playing with some leftover paints to see what I can create. To get started, I'm first going to add some white to one side of the canvas. And then I'm going to add some black paint to the other side. The white and the black are both mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. Each of the colorful colors that I'm adding are colors that I mixed myself. I'll include the details of how I created them in the description box, but basically I just started with the original color and added white. Each one of these colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. I'm not sure if this happens to you, but I often save small amounts of leftover paint in little sealed containers, only to find that when I eventually go to use the paint, that it's dried up and I can't actually use it. So today I thought, let me just use some of my leftover paints straight away. Now I'm just going to swipe some of these colors over the white side. And I think I'm going to leave the black side as it is. I like the cells that have formed on the black side. I think they look pretty funky. And then some interesting effects on the white side too. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.